How to collect a parcel from the Parcel Locker. Before you begin using the Parcel Locker, you must download and register on the My Parcel Locker app. Once the courier delivers your parcel into the Parcel Locker, you will receive a delivery notification with PIN code and QR code via text and email. The fastest way to retrieve your parcel is with the QR code. Go to the delivery notification and click on the QR code link. Once the QR code appears, simply hold it under the scanner and your allocated locker will automatically open. Collect your parcel and shut the door. Alternatively, you can collect your parcel using the PIN code. Go to the locker kiosk screen and press Collect. Then enter your phone number and access PIN code when prompted. The locker door will automatically open. You can collect your parcel and shut the door.